If you want to transfer photos and videos from iPhone to your PC, that is Windows PC without iTunes, what you do is use a lightning cable and connect the one into the USB port and the other into the iPhone. Now you need to unlock the iPhone, and if you are asked to trust the computer, then you have to select the trust option. After that, what you do, click on this file explorer and you will be able to see this Apple iPhone on the side. Now click on this internal storage to open it. Double click on this DCIM folder, and from here you can see different folders with the date when you had taken the pictures. So click any of the folder and you will see photos and videos. So if you want to copy it to your PC, just select them, whichever you want to, then right click, copy, and then you can minimize and you can save it anywhere. So this is first way. And the other way is, if you have enabled the option to back up the photos and videos to iCloud, then you can go to this website iCloud.com, open the website, enter the Apple ID that is used in your iPhone, click on this next arrow here, enter the password, then again click on this arrow here. Now I have got a message in my iPhone that Apple ID is used to sign into another device, and I have to select allow option in my iPhone, and a verification code has been sent to my iPhone which I have to enter here. Once I entered the verification code, I got this option, so I can trust this browser. Now I will go to photos here. So these are the photos that are saved in my iCloud, and if I have to download any of the photos to the computer, I can click the photo. If I have to select multiple photos, I can press the control button on the keyboard and then click on the photos that I want to download. So once I select the photos, I can click on this download button here, and these photos will be downloaded and it will be saved in zip format. So I can just click on this show all option, and then I'll click on this option show in folder. So this is the zip folder where I have the downloaded photos, so I can double click on this one and then again click on this iCloud photos, and these are the photos that I have just downloaded.